Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you another Excel trick, and it is how to remove duplicates. So as you can see, this row is a duplicate of this second row, and this bottom row is a duplicate of this fourth row. So now we're going to be removing these last two duplicates. So how we're going to do that is we're going to highlight this whole data set, and then we're going to come up to this data tab, and then we are going to go to remove duplicates. So now here what it does is select all the columns. So it checks all of the columns, and okay, this is a bit hard to explain. So you see, let's say look at this second column and this sixth column. So if I unselect everything, so if I and then only select day one, that means what it's going to do is going to remove all duplicates that have, or all of the duplicates that have the same value only in this day one. So for example, this 465 and this 465, so it'll remove the last one. And this 263 and this 263, so it'll remove the last one. Now if you select day 2 as well, then it checks two columns, so 465, 285, that's the same thing down here. So it deletes this one. 26593, and the same thing down here, it deletes it. And every other row is unique. So now if you select all the columns, then it checks all of these and sees which all of them are the same. So it's going to delete these bottom two rows. So if we click OK, and there you go. So 2 duplicate values are found, those bottom two, and 5 unique. So these 5 ones remain. And if you click OK, there you go, you have these. And you can just remove, you can just remove these two. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, which is right down like there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it, also down there. And goodbye, see you in my next video.